Humidity, the most vicious enemy on a boat. One way to avoid it is to have vents. Vents like a Dorado box, which I have here, or a vent like this, a solar vent. These are pretty expensive, but the problem with these ones is that after a while they become foggy and the solar panel doesn't do much. I mean, the fan always gets stuck, it's very noisy, and generally the price for these things is not worth it. You might as well just get a normal hole with nothing on it. So I made a smart vent. Basically it's a control box with a brushless motor, and there is a sensor which can sense humidity and temperature, but the most important one is the humidity part. Essentially at night when you're sleeping, you see now it kicked in because I have it set to 55 on the humidity. So we go there, you see it's set to 55, so if it goes above that, it will start to spin and suck air out or push it in, depending on how you set it up. This is important for me because when you're sleeping, humidity goes up, especially when it's cold outside, and I want this thing to work automatically. I wanted to turn it on and just leave it while I sleep. It doesn't make any noise because the motor is brushless, even if at full speed. You control temperature and humidity, how high you want it for the fan to start. And the screen will dim and switch off so it doesn't bother you at night. There is a big knob which controls what you want to set up, and it's very easy to use. Also, it gives you a nice indication of your current temperature and humidity inside your cabin. I set it up for winter so that it sucks air from the main cabin and pushes it out of here, because I don't want during winter for the air to blow on me while I'm sleeping. You can reverse this during summer so it actually blows on you, makes it cooler. But yes, a smart vent, a very useful thing. It actually lowers the humidity during night, and it eliminates mold and other things, because mold starts to grow at 60 to 70% humidity. So it's important to have constant circulation of air inside the boat. And those vents, they don't work at night, they don't move a lot of air anyway, so it's kind of pointless to have them. At least this thing moves a lot of air, it creates a negative pressure, and there is a constant circulation which is automatically controlled. Yeah, and you can switch it off if you want completely.